Hello everyone, welcome to CM 240, Introduction to Estimating. In today's lecture we're going to explore Chapter 1, Introduction to Estimating. We'll cover what estimating is, why it's important, the types of estimates, and the skills needed to succeed as an estimator. By the end of this lecture you'll be able to understand the role of estimating in construction, identify types of estimates and when to use them, analyze the components of an estimate, explore the estimator's role and required skills, examine how drawings and specifications support estimates, and discover career opportunities in estimating. What is estimating? Estimating is the process of determining the probable cost of a construction project. It's prepared using contract documents like plans and the project manual. Estimating helps establish project budgets, order materials, and ensures contractors meet their profit goals. This graph illustrates the trade-off between time and accuracy. Spending more time on a detailed estimate improves accuracy, but may not always be practical, especially for smaller, low-risk projects. A detailed estimate determines the quantity, the cost of everything needed for the project. This includes material, labor, equipment, subcontractor costs, overhead bonds, and more. Assembly estimating groups components into assemblies for simplicity. For example, a light switch assembly includes a box, a switch, a cover plate, wire nuts, and 20 feet of wire. Square foot estimates are based on average cost per square foot. They're commonly adjusted for variables like building height or perimeter. Parametric estimates rely on statistical relationships between building components. For instance, cost may be based on square footage, the number of floors, or percentage of common space. Model estimating uses predefined questions to calculate costs. For example, estimating the slab thickness or whether it includes wire mesh. Project comparison estimates use costs from similar completed projects, adjusted for differences between the comparison and the current project. Each type of estimates has its strengths and is suited for the specific project phase. Understanding when to use each is key to accurate and efficient estimating. Estimating offers diverse career opportunities. Architectural and engineering firms provide preliminary and detailed cost estimates. Subcontractors focus on specialized trades like HVAC, masonry, electrical. General contractors prefer competitive bids and manage budgets. Other roles include material suppliers, freelance estimators, and software representatives. Estimators must be proficient in reading and quantifying plans, have strong math and geometry skills, and be computer literate, with takeoff softwares like Bluebeam Review, On-Screen Takeoff, Procore Estimating, to name a few. Success in estimating requires the ability to visualize a project from plans, foresee potential problems, and understand labor productivity and material handling. Maintaining a cost database and meeting bid deadlines are also crucial. There are two main types of bids. Competitive bids are awarded based on price or best value. Negotiated bids involve direct agreement between an owner and a contractor. Contract documents are the foundation of estimates. They include the invitation to bid, bid form and general conditions, working drawings, technical specifications, and addenda. Bids are advertised in newspapers, trade journals, Dodge reports, and online platforms like Building Connected, Procore, or SmartBid. In this lecture, we've covered the basics of estimating, its purpose, the types of estimates, career opportunities, and essential skills. For your next step, review Chapter 1 in your textbook and complete the practice assignment to identify types of estimates in real-world scenarios. Thank you for joining, and I'll see you in the next lecture.